All right, when we're grilling, we're gonna clean up. And this machine here, I'm gonna turn it up. Very simple. That's all you gotta do. It's on right now because I wanted everything to fall down the bottom. Look at that. And nothing hits you back because of the cover. You don't have to worry about battery charge because you charge them Type C. You don't have to worry about extra batteries. That's quick. Alright, we're going to turn it off. Then we're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to do the other side too. I'm just going to finish it off right now. And right now we're still at 56% on battery wise. So everything fell to the tray right now. When it cools off, we're going to flip it over. And we're going to do the other side, so we'll come back after, right? Look at this. Now, if you have a flat grill, you don't have to worry about because they do have an attachment for it too also. So not just this kind of grills, but the flat grills too. That's it. Very simple. Very greasy. Look at that. It took all that grease right now. We're going to clean this up and then we're going to reuse this some other time. Wash this a little bit, but dry it up because it's copper. You don't want to get rust there, right? So rinse it up real good and then you reuse it.